Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the basic structure of a C programming language. What is a C programming language, how it is used and what is the basic structure of this. We are going to discuss about these topics in this video. First one, we are having the preprocessor directives. What are these preprocessor directives? Preprocessor means already defined. Where it is defined, already defined in the compiler or interpreter what we are using. Mainly we use this Turbo as a C compiler for our purpose, and there are so many compilers are there in the online. Okay, so what are these preprocessor directives? For the need of basic structure, the preprocessor directive is #include stdio.h. What is this #include stdio.h? It is also known as header file. This #include stdio.h includes the standard input and output of a programming. This includes in the source code to get our output. Without this we can't write the C programming to get our output. Without including these type of header files we are not going to get output and it shows error. Secondly, we are going to the main function. In this main function, what is the use of this main function? After writing #include stdio.h, we have to return a void main or int main or anything or normal main to start a source program. What is this main? Main means it's a main function for the program. If we don't include the main function, we are going to get an error, because the main function is to be there for every program. So what we have learned? #include stdio.h and main function. Third step, we are going about the variables. What are these variables? Variables are nothing but alphabets A, B, C, A, D, blah 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 blah. What program? To do a sum function of A and B, we have to declare about A and B. A is one number and B is two number. B is another number. We are declaring these two variables as A as one value, B as one value. So for the sum of, we can write it as A plus B. Every variable has its data type. What is its data type? Data type means there are so many data types are there. For examples, I am giving you, for example, int A, int B. Int means it's an integer. In the separate video, we are going to discuss about what are the data types and types of data types. Basically, the variables are used to declare a value to that variable for our sum or anything, for our requirement. Fourthly, we are going to make the statements. Statements. What are the statements? Statements are nothing but instructions. Instructions we are giving to the compiler what to do for our basic requirement. Suppose we want to perform A plus B operation. A has one value, B has one value. So we have to give the instruction. Instructions are nothing but the statements. So how to declare these statements? If we have int A, int B. So sum of A plus B. If we declare the variables as int A and int B, and we have to end with a semicolon. These are called as statements. And printf, it's a statement. Scanf. Scanf mainly uses for the reading of a values. We will discuss about this printf and scanf in another video for a bit of basics. For printf, we are going to use it as an output. For every statement of ending, we are going to use a semicolon. It is must. Without semicolon, we are not going to get any output. Return statements. If we use as main function, then we have to return some value at the end of the program. The program must start with a flower bracket after the main function and ends with the main function. Here it is, we are going to write a body. After the main function, after the return of a body, at the end of the program, before ending the program, we have to return some value. If we use as void main, then we don't need to return any value, because void itself it's defined as a zero value. So that's it friends. In another video we are going to discuss about in detail about the C programming.